Hey, let me show you how you can recharge your Motorola Moto Buds Plus. So if you want to charge your earbuds, for sure we have to input them inside this charging case and close this case. But we have to also charge case because they are actually charging from the battery that is inside the charging case. So to recharge this case, you can use the wireless method. Take a look. But also you can use wired method. So you can connect this cable into the USB-C port on the charging case, and you can connect this even to your smartphone. Take a look. As you can see, it started charging our case. Also, you can connect this cable, for example, to your PC, to your laptop, to your game console, TV, any other device with power supply. You can also use charging brick. You can use charging brick from your phone. For example, you don't have to use any specific power adapter from Motorola or any other brand. So that will be all the quick information for you. Thanks for watching.